Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled and open the Photos app. Select the images or album you want to share. Don't overthink selection, pick what matters. Once done, tap the Share button. On iPhone, it's the square with an arrow. On Mac, use the Share menu. You're initiating a link, not sending large files. This method preserves full-resolution originals in iCloud and creates a short-lived shareable link for recipients to access quickly. Now choose Copy iCloud link in the share sheet. On some devices, it appears after tapping More. iCloud will prepare the content, wait for the progress indicator, and don't close the app. Once complete, the link is copied to your clipboard so you can paste it in Messages, Mail, or any app. Make sure to tell recipients the link expires in 30 days and that they can download originals while available. If you need longer access, consider sharing an album instead. Finish by pasting the copied link into your chosen app and send it to recipients. They'll open a web preview with options to view and download. This avoids large attachments. If someone reports a broken link, first confirm your device has a stable internet connection and that iCloud Photos is still active. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud or regenerate the link by repeating the process. That usually resolves permissions or syncing hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.